Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Got a couple of racks here from Lara Quality Meats, which I'm cooking up today. These have been based in about 3 or 4 days in the Parker's Steakhouse base, which I'm really excited about. And to add a little bit of color and texture to the top, I've just hit it with some Coast and Smoke SPG. So didn't want to like break the flavor too much, but I just wanted to add that little bit of texture and SPG is the way to go. And basically cook it up in the Hark offset. Nearly, yeah, it's hit 250, so can't wait. I'll pop these in shortly. I'm going to use some iron bark from Royal Firewood, and I'll keep you guys posted while I smash down a brewy cola. Catch you later.